William Sykes.
So this one is lapho Dennis Sikhosana.
But this is a recent one.
Oh, it's a recent one. Yeah,
Yeah.
bonus
When I
2021.
take these historic ones, I'll show you which.
Dennis Sikhosana.
Okay. Lo William Sykes lo.
Okay.
Ngomunye wabanali abeza kuqala.
Ababhala ilokhu zeni ingoma eziningi even ezinye.
Le sindebele.
Ikhona yini date of birth yakhe? Date of birth yakhe ikhona yini lo?
Now ithathe phela
Sykes. Oh. So Reverend William Sykes of the London Missionary Society, born at Mayfield, Yorkshire, March 13, 1829, died at Tinyati, July 22nd, 1887, who labored for 29 years as a pioneer missionary among the Matebele. He went forth as a sower to sow, and is resting until coming of his master. Repent shall rejoice. Yes. Yeah, you can shoot ngale phone. Nangwe video and a size tone.
Okay, sorry. Hey, listen. That guy Omakazankala. That guy is the first Matha.
Even the Omatambo fellows tell you
Omatambo Njov. Hi, this guy is the first Matha.
Why Bulambani? Oh, isikhathi sesihloke libo.
Yeah.
Anjesi ukholo lwakhe.
Makhazankala owabulawa ngenxa yokholo lwakhe. Killed for his faith, Makhazankala.
The first Matha.
Wow. He is the one who brought the whites from who were passing through Ilokuzeni Botswana.
Tong Marala what? Maralelo.
Yeah.
Oh, ngiyaseceleni uka Makhazankala la. Okay.
This is far too much history, guys.
Yeah, we can spend the whole day even.
Yes, akusebenzi.
Yeah.
So usuka ngapho.
This one, who is this one?
This is
and some there be which have no memorial, who are perished, as thought they had ever been. These were merciful men whose righteousness hath not been forgotten. Their bodies are buried in peace, but their name liveth forever. Erected by the Honorable the Honorable Mrs. Abrahamson. Okay, so it means ngabantu abaningi la. Lapha it means ngabantu abaningi la. They are unknown.
Yeah, kodwa la kulelo
Maralelo, yes.
Le ingcwaba this side.
Yes.
Ingcwaba ngapha kwangcwaba amakhiwo. Ngapha ingcwaba amakharati.
Oh, ngapha ngamakhalati.
Yeah. But overtaken by amandebe abantu abamnyama. Iliba likaNdumiso nanti la.
Kwaku ngcwatshwa amakhiwa la. But sokugcwele abantu abamnyama. Oh, ngcwatshwa amakharati, I mean ngale ngamakhiwa lapho kwakungamakharati, but sokulabantu abamnyama.
Oh, ngiyena omahamba lana.
Yeah.
Njotha komahamba.
Yeah.
Umahamba athiwa ngubani ibizo lakhe leqiniso? Mika Mahamba bani? Oh, Mika Pepe. Yikho kule shop Mika Pepe lapha eNyathi.
Mika Mahamba phela.
Hawu yebo.
Oh, undibiso ngathi?
Ungaphi ugomethi?
This one here. See, we're only going to do it sometime.
Lo ngwakoChabangu ungathola isihloko sika Sengezwa. Sengezwa ngala.
Ayikho ungathola.
Antu Sengezwa ngala.
Yeah.
Nangomnye wakoChabangu futhi lapha nka.
Le kumele ibe yiline yakoChabangu le. So ungabona umuntu
ekaChabangu ingama
ubani?
uChabangu.
Iliba likaChabangu. Lilapha.
Nguchaba nguyise wakhona. Nguyise wakhona. Oh, la ulapha. Then ungapho
This is too much history.
ungapho eboss.
Just shut down that thing down.
Hayi labe lapho ukuchaza okukhona.
Khona kokhona ya. Then ubhoso sesiwogumede la should be somewhere here. Oh ungapho la. Oh.
Baba lo mama ilaba nabalapha.
Oh ngapho Elina Gumede. Oh.
Elina Gumede. Lo sithelo Gumede.
Laba ngaba ko baby la.
Ilaba ngaba ko baby laba ba uline le. Abangale ukucinene ngaba ko sibili.
Oh. So ngabantu ababethinteka like ezini.
Ukuze ungene lapha awuqualify njani?
You have to be a church person here.
Oh, you to be a church person. So landli lapha ngamalandana.
Yeah, let's see ngamalanda.
Ah.
Some of them are old, but iningi labo imatsha ngapha.
Oh, for Ndumiso akwayenza iTombstone.
Awukwenza iTombstone ngenxa ukuthi samenzela itonela.
Oh.
And this thing has introduced to what we expected to ukuthi ibe flat.
Oh.
So at some stage in April this time, one of the sons is coming from America. Unless sizaphungula lokho or sizakwakhela on the side.
On the side.
Yeah,
okay.
Hayi kama ukuthi so right.
Mina mina ngicela ukuzwa ngalawana angale ngawo balezi insuku.
Labanye abadala baba.
Oh, labanye
like
abadala.
if you came from a family that wasn't as active within the church system,
Yes.
then we just buried there. Otherwise, lokho iningi labantu abakhona khonapha. No, you cannot be buried in here unless you are a Londoner.
Oh, this is a gravesite for Londoners.
Yes, this is a gravesite for Londoners.
Oh. Nkunzini Moyo. 1950.
Umankunzini emaziyo udlala cricket. Uthi nguyise mkhulu.
Hayi lo libizo.
Hayi anti uyasebekwenza isihloko.
Ah.
Hayi
So right.
Wami uGumede.
Ah.
Yeah. He died young in South Africa.
Lo la ngwakoChabang.
Lo nguDr. Chaba.
Yeah, chapter Chabang.
hayi ngicabanga ukuthi
I think I picture sikhona will all come back next time. Next time ngasiphenduka at least we know how it's like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I siyabona
ngahamba nimara lelo.
mara lelo.
Unkulo simlokhu simduzi.
All right, sizamdingisisa umara lelo.
Ya ngabantu
Wayevela ngamara lelo from Botswana.
Yeah.
Ah,
Konke khonapha kuyabe kungamangqondo.
okay. Oh, Nkazana Moyo, Gcwalisa uthando Manyathela.
Thando.
Oh, gcwalisa uthando. Oh, bengingaboni. So kuphumile. Dumisani Mabhena. Amos Dlamini. Okay.
Amos. That is
Amos.
Amos. This is cute.
Ah, wena phela in Australian.
I see cute.
Ngam.
Amos.
Yeah.
Lapha ifamily la. When they massacred abantu,
Yes.
they buried
Are these go around the victims?
white.
Oh, ngama whites. This was ihloko elibomvu, War of the Red X,
When
1896.
yeah.
The one which was led by Ndlovukazi, it was K.
Uzamenza.
abapho lapha ngobani? Abo boy risk.
Orisi. Hayi. Engxenye labana baselokhu.
Nkukhwana Thembo Gumede.
Angikukhona bambonisa.
Nange.
Ilozini yakho.
In. Letha mfaki lokhuzeni. Iya freeze into le iya freeze ungazama kuyibhala iyaya.
Okay, le ilika sesishayile. Hayi alishaya. Lo muntu phela nje lo
Usayix uqathekile nje. Uqathekile uSykes.
Hayi
Ushutile
siyabonga.
uninga.
Siyabonga egumede ebani.
Uqwabe.
Ephakathaka
Phakathwa.
emhlobeni.
Okanti umagwazi kankahle umagwazi
Sebese mahamba.